Melania Trump's former advisor calls her citizenship speech quite repulsive. The Hill. An ex-advisor to Melania Trump criticized her Friday appearance at a National Archives naturalization ceremony, claiming that Trump was previously uninterested in attending similar events while serving as First Lady, despite being an immigrant herself. In an interview on CNN, Stephanie Winston Wolkoff called Trump's appearance and speech quite repulsive, suggesting it was a publicity moment. You know, again. Below are your comments. My wife became a citizen in 2006 after 7 years of worry and work. She also had a great sense of relief and gratitude. She had plenty of help with the arduous process of becoming a citizen. That H-1B visa that a partner at the modeling agency got for her was a big help. As long as people go through the right channels to become a citizen is fine with me. I had a grandfather that came from Greece, had a sponsor and did what he needed to do to become a citizen. Other people coming over illegally know we don't need them. I married my husband while we were living in Germany, and we lived overseas for 7 years before moving to America. We never were sure if we were going to reside here. It was still a pain in the bottom to obtain his green card. My parents had to guarantee that would account for him financially. Seems like it was positive and encouraging. She may have had an easier time, but she does know how long and hard the process can be. It still is much easier here than in some other countries though. Next news. As Trump threatens to repeal Obamacare, these insurance godmothers are signing Florida Latinos up. Associated Press. It's areas near this mall where former Democratic President Barack Obama's healthcare overhaul is more popular than anywhere in the country, according to federal data. The region has also shifted away from Democrats to Republicans in recent years, with Donald Trump hosting several rallies here as part of his outreach to Latino voters. Trump, the current front-runner for the Republican presidential nomination in 2024, has pledged to new efforts to repeal and replace the 2010 law. Something. Below are your comments. Correct me if I am wrong, low-income individuals would rather have Medicaid or Medicare because they do not have enough income to make payments or co-payments. Middle class like ACA because the co-payments and payment plans are lower because they have middle-class incomes. Upper class individuals. As of early 2023, the report finds that more than 40 million Americans have coverage under the ACA, the highest total on record. Trump is going to do away with Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security, and now he wants to do away with Obamacare. And they are all going to follow him down the rabbit hole by voting for him. And these people that are benefiting from the ACA will still vote for Trump and then complain when they lose their coverage. But Trump and MAGA have a plan. The best healthcare plan ever. Oh wait, that never happened. not ever talked about or addressed. Next news. $148 million damages verdict adds to Rudy Giuliani's financial woes as he awaits his criminal trial. Associated Press. A criminal trial awaits Rudy Giuliani in Georgia. The $148 million verdict in a defamation case brought by two former Georgia election workers marks a new low point for the man once lauded as America's mayor, whose advocacy of Donald Trump's false election claims has led to criminal charges and hefty legal bills. "It's like everything is crashing down on him," said Nick Ackerman, a New York attorney who briefly worked alongside Giuliani in the federal prosecutor's office there. Below are your comments. It begs the question, if Trump really is a billionaire and always supports those who support him, is he to help out Rudy? Rudy was, after all, supporting Trump's claims. Rudy brought this all upon himself when he chose to do the bidding of Trump instead of doing what is right. Trump should also be held to account. Did Grump pay Rudy what he owed him for his work? Grump has a history of not paying those who did work for him. That partnership with Trump really went well for Rudy. He went from being America's mayor to homeless in the streets begging for spare change. All for what? One of Rump's most loyal, which he demands, yet he's nowhere to be found to help out. Should tell you all you need about his character. Looking at all you poorly educated, and some somewhat educated, others. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.